Hola, buenos dias a todos. Hello, good morning again to everyone. This is Julio, your Spanish teacher for this Spanish language conversational course. Now, we're going to discuss about pronouns or los pronombres en español. A pronoun is essentially a word that substitutes a noun. You don't want to keep using the same noun over and over again when telling a story. This repetition would sound boring and cluttered. Instead, you use a pronoun to replace the noun that you are talking about. So let's see some examples here. Take a look at this paragraph without pronouns. The teacher walked into class, then the teacher told us that the teacher had a surprise. The teacher brought cupcakes to class. So all is addressed to teacher. No pronouns. While in the second example, take a look at the same paragraph using pronouns. The teacher walked into class, then she told us that she had a surprise. She brought cupcakes to class. So it's not robotic, but it's more natural sounding language. So Spanish subject pronouns are the most common type of pronoun. They are broken down by the gender and number of the noun they replace. That's why in the verbs earlier, it becomes more complex when it comes to conjugation, as you don't just conjugate it based on the tenses but also based on its person and number. That's why as a beginner, you really need to master this subject pronouns in order to also know how to conjugate verbs accurately. So, I, that's yo. In other Latin countries, they pronounce it like jo, but it depends on the speaker. But usually, in Spain, you can just say yo. You, informal, is tú. You, formal, this is usted. And I just want to emphasize the difference of informal and formal. You use to when you're talking to someone that you really know, close family members or someone that is inferior than you. But when you're talking to your boss or something that is respected or higher than you must always use usted to address them formally. Okay? And then we have you all, which is ustedes. We have also third person singular, él, ella, for he, she, and it. Él, ella. We, that's first person plural or mixed group that includes you. Nosotros or nosotras. They, third person plural. Ellos, ellas. But if it's in the mixed group with different genders, you can just say ellos to generalize. And you all, this is informal for you all. Vosotros or vosotras. And this subject pronoun is commonly used in Spain. Not sure if other Latin countries also use this, but commonly in Spain, they have this vosotros subject pronoun. Other examples, we have I am a student. Yo soy estudiante. Yo soy estudiante. Yo, here is the subject pronoun. You are my friend. Second person subject pronoun. Tú eres mi amigo. Tú eres mi amigo. He is a teacher. Él es profesor. Él es profesor. This is a the third a person subject pronoun. And then we have she is a doctor. Still third person subject pronoun in feminine form. Ella es doctora. Ella es doctora. So these are all about subject pronouns or pronouns in Spanish. List 50 common pronouns in Spanish and choose 10 from it with definition, then use it in a sentence. So this will be your activities and homework for this part. And then we have examples here, so we can also use it as a reference. So he, which is él, pronoun of a male person doing the action. He is teaching the lesson on the class. Él está enseñando la lección en la clase. Él está enseñando la lección en la clase. And then second, we need to record ourselves speaking the sentences we have created 3 times for your practice. So that's all. I hope you learned something. Muchas gracias. Nos vemos. Adios.